booger. Ew. You can't go bye-bye with your booger sticking out your nose. That's nasty. Ew. You're not gonna... That's disgusting. Look, Max. Yeah. Wait. Look, get your booger, not your tongue.
It looks funny.
He's silly.
It won't come out. No, I can't. Don't hold my hand.
Silly goose.
Max. It's not for your... For nose. Nose. Okay, one more.
The other one. The other side.
There's nothing on the other side. It's on this side. Max. Ew.